Are you looking to get unlimited free and targeted leads into your business using only your Facebook profile, no matter what business you're in? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to set up your Facebook profile as a magnet to draw your ideal customer right into your sales process. Plus, once we're done, I'll also share with you a bonus showing you how once you've set up your profile, you can automate the process to get your ideal customer to connect with you, and all it takes is a few minutes to get this automated process up and running that will save you both time and money, getting you quicker results. Hey, it's Jacques van der Merwe here from affiliatemarketingmind.com, where I teach you how to start your own successful affiliate marketing business, how to avoid the pitfalls along the way, and how to scale your business. So if you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, all the links and everything I mentioned in this video will be in the description box below this video. So let's get started. We all know that Facebook is a social platform where people share social events and things happening in their lives. But it's also one of the most reliable and reproducible sources of organic leads for your business, which you can get from places such as Facebook pages, Facebook groups, and the interest people express on Facebook, for example. And using the simple method I'm about to show you, you can easily attract your ideal customer and lead them right into your sales funnel or your sales process. And what you need to do to achieve that is start with your Facebook profile. Now, if I look at this, it's typical as somebody who's friends with me on Facebook, and this is typically what a lot of Facebook profiles look like. Normally a simple cover photo, a profile photo, some background information about the person, where he comes from, where he works, those sort of things. Then there's photos and friends, and obviously then whatever they post on their profile. However, what I do differently is I do it like this. Now, this is what my profile looks like. And immediately people come to the profile, they can see what I do. It says there, Affiliate Marketing Mind, so they immediately know I do affiliate marketing. It says copy my system, download my funnels, free targeted traffic, and it says click here. Now people would think that that is a button to click, and they often do click on it, and all that happens when they click on that is that it opens the image again, but here on the side, this is where the opportunity comes in, opportunity number 1. It says copy my system, download my funnels for free. I'll even show you how to get free targeted traffic, and there it is. There's my website link straight away. So immediately they are able to click on that link. So that is opportunity number 1. And what I see people doing is they don't use this opportunity because you want to look the best you possibly can to a potential client. So you want to create a good impression. So with affiliate marketing, I create the impression here of being able to travel the world and the places I've seen and so on. And it creates that impression of being successful. But cover photo is opportunity number 1. Then we go on to opportunity number 2, which is the intro part. And I say here, start earning affiliate commissions, copy my system and download my funnels for free. And I've got these hands pointing down, where somebody else would have things like where you work, where you stay, where you come from, all those sort of things. I don't do that. I simply say, give them the opportunity to join an affiliate marketing opportunity. Okay, and the fingers point down to these two, which is opportunity number 3, these two links here. This one being to my YouTube channel, and this one being to my website again. Okay, so that was opportunity number 3. Then opportunity number 4 is this. And this is a feature in Facebook where they normally put in featured images. And what I've done is I've gone into my featured images album and I've taken out the pictures that were in there and I've replaced it with this one, which immediately again says what I do, says a bit about my system, and it says click the link pointing to above. Okay, but even if they don't click on the above link and they click on the image, then it'll once again show up the image. And then on the side here, it'll say, copy my system, download my funnels for free. I'll even show you how to get targeted traffic for free. And once again, my website link on there. So that is opportunity number 4. And then opportunity number 5, I've sort of stolen a little bit from them. These photos here are normally photos taken from your previous profile pictures or previous cover pictures. So I've gone into my profile pictures album and I've added these pictures in there. And once again, if somebody clicks on this, it'll open up this thing, and there, once again, there's my website link. So that's opportunity number 5. So if people click on my links like this, they would come to my website, which is immediately start earning affiliate commissions, get started for free, and I give them a video to watch. I even invite them not to watch it. That seems to work quite well. And then they can join my affiliate marketing mine. Down here I've got some more proof of income. And then once again I say, copy my system, download my funnels for free. So when people join this, they will come over to this page, which is the members area to my site. And this is where I give away all my funnels for free. And in here I give them all the training and everything they need to download my funnels. And for instance, I've got an affiliate marketing ebook, which they can download. They can white label it as their own. They can change the images. They can take out my name. They can replace it with their own name. Doesn't matter. I've got the ebook funnel and how to actually implement that. Then I've got an affiliate marketing course, which is a video course where once again I don't show my face. I don't mention my name. I don't talk about my brand. So it's totally white labeled. And they can download it and give it out as their own. They can give it away for free. They can sell it. They can do whatever they want with it. It's completely white labeled. And I give them all the process they need to download the funnel. And obviously with it comes email sequences and everything. So they don't even need to write emails or copy and paste emails into an autoresponder. This is automatically downloaded. And if they do a few changes on one single page, then their affiliate links will appear instead of my affiliate links throughout the funnels, on the web pages. All the buttons on the sites will have their affiliate links in them. And even in the email sequences, my affiliate link will be replaced with their affiliate link. So there's another funnel, the Legendary Marketer funnel, which they can download. And then there's the Affiliate Marketing Mind funnel, which they can also download. And then I've got some traffic tips on there as well on how to get free traffic and also paid traffic. So that is what I give away, and that's how I earn my income, because what they need to download the funnel is they need the platform to download it to, which in my case is Builderall. So once they sign up for a free trial, they are able to download everything in here. So that deals more or less with my funnel. But coming back to the profile, so once I've got all these things in place, all these 5 opportunities, then I start posting. And there, for instance, start your own affiliate marketing journey, simply copy my system, and funnels for free, a simple yes will do the trick. So as soon as they start replying, then obviously I give them the link to the website again, because they wouldn't necessarily go and click on these buttons straight away. But if they ask for it, then I give it to them. And that is how I don't get into trouble with Facebook, because I don't do posts that contain links in them, because Facebook dislikes that. Facebook doesn't like you pointing people away from the Facebook platform, because Facebook want to keep the people on the platform, because the longer they stay on the platform, the more opportunity Facebook has for people to be exposed to adverts and so on, which makes money for Facebook. So if you put links into your posts directly, Facebook dislikes that immensely, and they will simply start showing your posts to less and less and less people. So in this way, I do a normal post, people reply to it, and then I can give them my website link, and I don't get penalized for that. So that's how I do it. Also, if you look on this, for instance, here, for instance, I post on groups. Like this was affiliate marketing work worldwide. And I simply post the same post on there. And as soon as people start commenting, like here again, and in this instance I had some 30 comments, then obviously a lot of people will follow this and go to my Facebook profile, which again will open up all those opportunities for them to see my website and my offers. And that is how I use my personal Facebook profile as a sales funnel and getting people into my sales process, getting them into my system, getting onto my email autoresponder so I can keep marketing to them into the future. So I promised you a bonus at the beginning of the video, and I'm giving you a free 14-day trial to a piece of software you can use to automate the process of attracting targeted customers within your niche, attracting them to your profile, and getting them into your sales funnel. The software is called Pepper for Facebook, and you can start your free 14-day trial of Pepper by following the link below this video. And Pepper will help you to quickly find your dream clients, start profitable conversations on autopilot, keep track of your leads in Messenger, help you speak with more people than ever with canned responses, and land more clients and sales and make more money. And it will do all of this on autopilot without putting your Facebook profile at risk or getting you into Facebook jail. In a nutshell, Pepper gives you everything you need to land high-paying clients quickly, easily, and freely online. So check out the link in the description below this video. And if you've enjoyed this video and found some value in it, then please give it a like. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you've not yet subscribed, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. And have a look in the description below for my #1 recommendation on how to start making money online, and my #1 digital platform that I recommend and I use for my websites, my funnels, my webinars, my courses, my email marketing, and so much more. And finally, leave me a comment down below saying you are in, you're going to follow this method, or tell me what is the biggest problem you're experiencing with your business at the moment, and maybe I can make a video about that for you in the future. And I'll see you in the next video.